morning students. Today we will find the moment of inertia of a right circular cylinder of radius a and mass m about its axis and about a straight line through its center of gravity perpendicular to its axis. Suppose ये एक राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर है, LGM इसकी एक्सिस है और G इस राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर की सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी है। तो सबसे पहले अपन को इसकी जो एक्सिस LGM है उसके अबाउट हमें मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ज्ञात करना है। उसके बाद में अपन को एक ऐसी लाइन के अबाउट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ज्ञात करना है जो इसकी एक्सिस के परपेंडिकुलर हो और उसके सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी से पास हो। तो यहाँ पे G है वो इसकी सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी है। इट मींस वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट ए लाइन which passes through the center of gravity and perpendicular to the axis of the cylinder. So here GK is the required line. So first of all we find the moment of inertia of a right circular cylinder about its axis LGM. To find the moment of inertia of a right circular cylinder, we take an element of the right circular cylinder in the form of a circular disc. अपने यहाँ पे एक सर्कुलर डिस्क लगी उसके एक एलिमेंट के रूप में। तो यहाँ पे एक ऐसे सर्कुलर डिस्क ले रहे हैं जो कि इसके सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी से x ऊंचाई पे है और डेल्टा x क्या इसकी विड्थ है और जो रेडियस है वो उसकी सिलेंडर की यहाँ a है तो उसकी रेडियस भी a है। नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड the moment of inertia. First, moment of inertia about its axis L G M. So here the mass of the circular disc equals to this is pi a square rho into delta x. यहां जो रो है वो सिलेंडर की डेंसिटी है, वेयर रो इज द डेंसिटी ऑफ द सिलेंडर. Now we have to calculate the mass of the cylinder. So therefore mass of the cylinder M equals to this is pi a square rho within the limit minus h by 2 to this is h by 2 and this is dx. After integrating this we have this is pi a square rho h. So finally rho equals to m upon pi a square h. Finally rho equal to m upon pi a square h. Now the moment of inertia of the circular disc about L O G M equals to, we know that the moment of inertia of a line which passes through the center of the circular disc and perpendicular to the plane, then that is m a square by 2. So here m is mass of the circular disc, this is pi a square rho del x, this is the mass into a square. Here a square, a is the radius of the circular disc, this is m a square upon this is 2. This is pi a square rho del x into a square by 2. So therefore moment of inertia of the right circular cylinder about its axis LGM equals to, this is pi a की power 4 upon 2 rho, this is minus h by 2 this is h by 2 dx. It is finally pi a square rho by 2 into h. After substituting the value of rho, we have moment of inertia equals to, this is pi a square h by 2 into rho is m upon pi a square h. This is pi a की power 4. So this is pi a की power 4 a square h. Pi is cancel out, h is also cancel out. Finally, it is m a square by 2. So therefore, the moment of inertia of a right circular cylinder about its axis is m a square by 2, where n is the mass of the right circular cylinder and a is the radius of its base. Now we have to find out the moment of inertia about the line GK. Second part is moment of inertia about the line GK. Moment of inertia about the line GK. तो GK लाइन के मोमेंटम से निकालने सबसे पहले अपन ये जो सर्कुलर डिस्क है इसका अपन GK अबाउट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया निकाल लेंगे. तो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया of the circular disc about GK equals to moment of inertia of the circular disc about, this is ON plus moment of inertia of the mass of the circular disc, moment of inertia of the mass of the circular disc about moment of inertia of the mass of the circular disc placed at O, moment of inertia of the mass of the circular disc placed at O about GK. So therefore, this equals to moment of inertia of the circular disc about O1. इट मीन्स अपने जानते हैं कोई भी सर्कुलर डिस्क है उसके जो डायमीटर के अबाउट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया होता है दैट इज m स्क्वायर बाई 4. तो हियर दिस इज m इज पाई a स्क्वायर रो डेल x, दिस इज द m एंड दिस इज a स्क्वायर बाई 4 प्लस मास इज पाई a स्क्वायर रो डेल x into this is x square, because the perpendicular distance of the mass of the perpendicular distance of the mass which is placed at O is x, so therefore it is x square. Hence the moment of inertia of the right circular cylinder about GK equals to, this is pi a की पावर 4 upon 4 पाई ए की पावर 4/4 इंटू रो and this can be written as this is pi a की power 4 upon rho 4 plus this is a की power 4 rho del x. This can be written as this is minus h by 2 to h by 2. This is dx plus this is pi a square rho within the limit minus h by 2 to h by 2. This is x square dx. This can be written as this equals to this is pi a की power 4 rho, this is upon 4. This integral is h plus this is pi a square rho and this is x cube by 3 and this can be written as it is an even function, so this can be written as 2 into 0 to h by 2. This is x square dx and finally this is pi a की power 4 rho h upon 4. This is 2 pi a square rho. This is 2 pi a square rho and this is x cube by 3. So this can be written as this is x cube upon 3 within the limit 0 to this is h by 2. This is pi a की power 4 rho h upon 4 plus this is 2 pi a square rho or this value is h cubed upon 8. This is finally pi a की power 4 rho h by 4 plus pi a square rho and this is h cube by 4. This can be written as this equals to, after putting the value of rho we have this is pi a की power 4 h by 4. Here rho is m upon pi a square h plus this is pi a square, this is h cube upon 4. Rho is m upon pi a square h. Finally pi is cancelled out, h is cancelled out, so this is m a square by 4, m a square by 4 plus this is pi is cancelled out, a square is cancelled out, or this is m h square by 4. This is m square by 4. This is the required moment of inertia. Here we have this is x cube by 3. So this is into this is 3. This is h cube upon 8 into 3. So this is 1 upon 3 and finally it is 1 upon 3. Finally this is m a square by 4 plus m h square upon 12. So the required moment of inertia is m by 4 into this is a square plus h square by 3. This is the required moment of inertia of the right circular cylinder about the line GK. Thank you. Have a nice day.